What would make me happy? The short visualization technique created for those who seeking to see, to feel, to have what they really truly want. To those who are feeling a bit burned out, neglecting themselves, feeling there is no hope or no craving at all for something what they really truly desire to have. I want you to find a comfortable place where you can stay and close your eyes. Take a gentle big deep breath through your nose, exhale it through your mouth. Let's do it together. Inhale it now and exhale. Now I want you to drift back. Get back to that part of your life when you were a little child. What made you happy on that day, on that memory? Just see it, feel it, allow your body or your nerve system to feel that joy, that happiness. Maybe it was a swinging time at your favorite park. Might it was a beautiful seaside walking with your parents and family members. Might you been drawing something and it fulfilled you completely. Allow yourself to take a big deep breath and just charge yourself. Allow that feeling to fully embrace you. That warmness, that happiness, that joy just flow from your top of your head through your body till your tiptoes. And as you do so, now you are ready to ask yourself, what makes me really happy? Now is the time, an opportunity where you can choose, be, do and have whatever you desire. I want you again to take a big deep breath, and as an open opens up in front of you, you're allowing to see, to hear, to sense what it really truly meant for you. As you keep breathing in a steady, calm rhythm, I want you to embrace that. I want you to feel that. I want you to allow your subconscious mind to bring it upon all those things, all those opportunities, all those possibilities that can happen without of any judgmental thoughts or criticism. It's the time to fully embrace. It's the time to allow it for yourself to be happy, and allow yourself for now to see the honest truth. The truth which is allowing you to be really truly happy. I want you to take another big deep breath and just be that version, be that place, have that life, do that thing which is really truly meant for you. As you do so, I want you to wiggle your body, your fingers, your tiptoes, your hands, your arms, your body, your upper body, your neck. Just feel it. Feel that new rhythm of life, what can bring just from a simple thought. And if you are ready, I want you to open up your eyes and pick up a pen and paper or your favorite journal and just write it down. Write it down, that one thing that really brings you joy and happiness. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Naomi Beckel and I am a goal-setting life coach who using plenty of different interventions to bring to the surface what it really meant for you as an action taking. I'm looking forward to seeing you really soon. Meanwhile, if you could stay here, subscribe, and time to time come back to another recharging point for your life. If you would like to have a one-on-one session, doesn't matter where you are on this beautiful earth, you can contact me through my email address and shortly I'm gonna get back to you. Speak very soon. Bye for now.